Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel once again. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a multi-bootable pen drive. Without further delay, let's get started.
Well, we're waiting.
So first, you need a pen drive of at least your preferred size, and then a software called Ventoy. Ventoy is an open source software which allows you to create multiple windows on a single pen drive. Now we have to download Ventoy software and then use that to create the bootable pen drive. Search and download for Ventoy. So on your Google search, type in Ventoy and search for Ventoy. This is the official site, which is www.ventoy.net. Click on that Ventoy. Now in here, we need to download the Ventoy software. So you go to download the download section, and here is the official site for the downloads. So on the download section, this is Ventoy for Windows, so you can use it for Windows, Linux, or Live CD. In my case, we are going to be using Windows. Download the Windows version, so click on the Windows version, which is at the top here. So click on that. I'll leave the official site in the description below, so don't. So scroll down, and on here you come down and select the Windows version, which is here. This is the zipped Windows zip file. So click on that to download that, which is the Windows version. As you can see, it is downloading here, so just wait patiently for it to download. Finish, then we proceed on. Right, it has finished downloading, so you open where it is located. Now refresh our page. So this is it. So you have to, this is the zip file, so which we have to extract it. So right click and extract all, and then extract. Right, it is being extracted, which is this. So open that and then open the Ventoy folder. Now this is the software which we are going to be using. Oh sorry, this is it. So double click on it to open. Yes, this is the software itself. So let's minimize this. This is the software here. You have to select your device which we are going to be installing the Ventoy application on the pen drive. So now I've not connected any pen drive, which is why it has not detected the drive. So let's connect a pen drive onto the PC. So connect your pen drive. Right, it is being connected, as you can see here. Open this, and our pen drive is slotted here. You have to plug the pen drive before you open the software. Close it once again. I'll go to my download folder, open the Ventoy once again, and then we'll keep that open. Right, it has detected the pen drive automatically. So Ventoy, we need to install Ventoy on it. As you can see, status is ready now. So you click on install. If you have any files on your pen drive, you can back them up before doing this, because it recommends that you are going to be formatting everything on the pen drive. So you click on yes. Yes. So just wait patiently for it to load, and in just some few seconds it's going to finish within no time. The only time it's going to be taken is when you are copying your ISO files. Right, congratulations, Ventoy has been successfully installed to the device. So you click on OK and close this one. So now open your computer folder, and then this is our pen drive here. As you can see, the name it has been renamed to Ventoy. So open that, which there is no files inside. Now you copy your Windows ISO images. If you don't know how to download the ISO image, I'll leave a link in the description below. So these are my ISO images here. We have Windows 7, Windows 10, and Windows 8. Right now you just copy them direct onto the pen drive. So just highlight them all and copy to the pen drive. Right, so they are copied now, which we have to wait for it to finish copying. As I said, if you don't know how to download the ISO images, you can check that video out in the description to see how to download the ISO images. So once you finish copying, next step is to on a computer it is being successfully done or not. I'll spin the video. Next step is to, now that we are done copying the files, so plug your pen drive onto your machine and power on. Now we have to select our boot order to boot from the pen drive. On my machine it's a Dell brand, so F12 is my boot order. So when you power on, keep on pressing F12. Your machine could be different, so, and this is our boot order, which I'll be selecting my storage, my pen drive. So it says USB storage device, so I select on that. Alright, as you can see, Ventor is loading. So here is Ventor, and these are the windows we copied. We copied Windows 7, 8 and 10. So either of them that you want, you just select that and then proceed with creating the installation. So we'll be selecting Windows 10. Alright, so this is our Windows installation. So you just click on next, install, and that is how to create a multi-bootable USB operating system. If this video was helpful, kindly leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Regarding to this video, if you are having any issues to this, leave your comments below and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.